Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make a touch on, touch off circuit using 555 timer IC. These are the components required and this is the circuit diagram. Place the 555 timer IC on the breadboard with pin 4 connected to pin 8. Connect pin 1 to negative rail and pin 8 to positive rail. Then connect the LED with its cathode connected to negative power supply and anode connected to pin 3 via a 330 ohm resistor. Now connect the touch pins to pin 1, 2, 6 and 8 of the IC. Finally connect the power supply. With this, our circuit is complete. Touching these two touch pins turns the LED on and touching the other two turns it off. You can also extend this circuit to toggle between two outputs. For that, just place another LED with anode connected to positive rail and cathode connected to pin 3 via a 330 ohm resistor. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more such videos.